Yeah, you want to watch this to the very end? Don't click off. Watch to the very end. Let's go. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is David Oisamoje. Just in case you just joined me for the first time, my channel is all about creating designs that make you passive income. We're talking passive income on print on demand site like Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, matched by Amazon. Creative t-shirt design inspiration, just like the ones you see on my channel. So if you just joining me and you want to keep seeing these design videos, how to create this design, how to use Canva tutorial, and all that concern design tutorial and passive income from your designs selling on print on demand side, then my channel is the one you want to subscribe to. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on content, on design content. Like you see, I put out a lot. I already have about 149 episode out already, 148 episode. This will make it the 149 episode for you guys. So make sure you stick around, make sure you subscribe if you've not done that, and just watch to the very end. Today is Sunday. If you're watching this on Sunday, you might be watching it on a Monday, but still it's still going to be relevant no matter the day you're watching it. But since it's Sunday, I'm just going to do something creative to represent today. So I'm going to go straight right into it. Open canva.com and start my design. These designs don't take time. It does not take time. It's max 10 minutes. It does not take time to create this design, so you can create a lot in one day and upload on print on demand site for passive income. Learn to make passive income uploading your designs to print on demand site like Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, matched by Amazon, Society 6, and the rest. So let's click on create a design. Custom dimension. The standard I use is 4500 by 5400. This is matched by Amazon standard. It works for all other print on demand sites, so you can use this. So I'm just going to click on that, create a new design. So it's going to open this new tab you can see here, and everything I'm going to be using for my design is on Canva. As you can see, Canva is a web-based graphic design software or app, so everything we're going to be doing is going to be online based. I'm using my Chrome browser for this, as you can see. So you see, Canva is super easy to use from the get-go. You don't have to design any software on your system. You can just design with your internet connection on and your browser. We're talking Chrome browser. It works best on Chrome browser. I've always been using it on Chrome browser. So I'm going to go straight right into it. For this one, I'll go to text. And I'll just find a very cool text I can use. As you can see, you have a lot of text, some paid, some free. So you just have to use one. I'm going to be using this one for this design. I'm going to be using this one. So just make it this big. As you can see, you can't see the effect like that. So what am I going to do? I'm going to change this background. But note that with this background, and if you're on the free version and using this background, you can't change. You download your designs with the background which you don't want. Your design is going to come with the background which you don't want. But I'm going to show you at the end of this video, sometime in the video, how you can get Canva Pro 30 days free on me. So make sure you stick around. If you are just joining me for the first time, if you already watched my videos back, you know how to do that. So for this one, I'm just going to do something creative. So it's something creative, my belief. Everyone has his own belief. So you have this one. So we have this like so. As you can see. So about that. So let's continue. Yes, as you can see, it's that simple. That simple, not complicated. Note you can change these upper colors, the light colors, you can change them. So if you go to your text color, you can change that about. You can make that blue if you want to. You get the vibes. So if you want to change anyone, you can change anyone just the way you want it to be. It's up to you. You can decide to make it white too. It's up to you, but it will not work on a white shirt, so you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. You just want to make sure it's something cool. Just make sure it's something cool. You get the drill. Okay. So now that we have that, we're not done yet. So I'm just gonna bring in some other elements. I'll reduce this a bit. So to reduce or increase, you move your cursor to this edge, press down your left mouse click button, move inwards to reduce. Just move your cursor about, it moves it out or in. But once you're done moving, just make sure you always position it in the middle. As you can see, it has that pink line. The cross pink line shows you it's directly in the middle. So now we'll go to elements. I love to use my element. If you've been watching my videos, I love to use my element. So let's look for something. I'll do the rows. Okay. So now I'll just find a cool looking rows. Just scroll through. As you can see, most of them are pro. So you have to find one that suits. I'll show you how to get pro. Never mind. So just stick around. I'll show you how to get pro of Canva. So make sure you just stick around while we make this design. I like this, but it's free. So let me look for something else. I'm looking for a circular form of rose petals. So I'll keep going. If I don't find one, I'll settle for this, but let's keep going. We could find something. Canva has a lot of elements, you can choose on. Just think about it, type it and search for it. Some are animated, so you see that. So yes, this was the one I was finding, but it's kind of animated. I don't know if I want it to be animated, but let me just bring it in. Okay, so now we have it in a design. You can just make it bigger and move it. Okay, move it just like so. So it says Jesus vibe. So now I can decide to just download it as PDF. I can decide to just download it as a gift image. If I want to promote this, if I just want to put it on my social media, I can decide to go to download it as MP4, or just download it as a gift image. But for this, since I'm placing it on my shirt, it's going to be PNG. You're going to come in PNG, and I'm going to click on this transparent background. As you see, so far so good. It has taken us just about 7 minutes. So I'll tell you, if you want to get Canva Pro free for 30 days to be used for your designs, check the first link in the description. Just the first link in the description. Click on it. Sign off just immediately after you click on it. They are not going to take your money. Your money is going to be intact. You're going to get it 100% free for the first 30 days. Trust me on that. You're going to get it free for the first 30 days, 100% free, and you can use Canva Pro as much as you want. So let me click on and download mine now, and you're going to see this black background is going to go off. But if you have the free version, you're going to see your download coming in with the background, which you don't want. So let's click. So if you're serious about print on demand, make sure you get Canva Pro. Check the first link in the description, sign up with the first link in the description, and get it for yourself. You get it? Let's do that. So let's hit download. So it's going to prepare your download. Once it's done preparing your download, it's going to download it for you. And the next step is for you to check it out to make sure you have the design just the way you want it. So let's see. It's downloading it. Okay. So now we have it downloaded. Let's go show folder. And this should be it. Just wait for it to load. As you can see, it says Jesus vibe. See, very cool design. As you can see, because it's having no background, you can't really see it. But I'm sure on a white shirt you're gonna see it, on a black shirt you're gonna see it. Most people will buy it on a black shirt because black shirts sell the more. But that does not mean you want to leave your design on white background. Black shirts sell, yes, but not everyone wants a black shirt. Everybody chooses his own color. Everybody has a favorite color. So make sure you move your designs in the direction of no background so that you can put it for so many people to choose from. You get the drill. So now that we have it, sorry about that, we can now place it on our shirt and we are good to go. As you can see, you can choose from so many designs. You can see we did this in about 10 minutes. So with that said, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe, stay blessed, one love.